When we consider the features which make birds unique today and which make them, well, birds, we realize that many of them are not unique to birds, in that many are shared by the theropod dinosaurs from which they evolved. So if we were to consider a group of theropods called the Neotheropods, this would be one of the earlier subgroups, which includes ceratosaurs like Dilophosaurus pictured here. We could ask which defining features of birds today were present in Neotheropods and thus had evolved by this point in the family tree. Neotheropods would share a number of features which we define as avian and present in birds, at least the first birds, such as specific openings of the skull, the upper and lower temporal openings, antorbital and mandibular openings, but then also the arms, which in birds would be wings, would possess fused collar bones to form a furcula or wishbone in the shoulder joint. The first ones are known in Neotheropods. The direction of the shoulder joint facing laterally and more posteriorly had evolved prior to the Neotheropods. The hands are longer, important for being wings. The legs allowed for bipedal locomotion, important. One couldn't modify arms to become wings if you were walking on them. In the hip, the ilium and ischium bones are lengthened. There is an open hip socket. The foot is very long, and the animal's walking on their toes with their ankle joint partway up the leg. The ankle joint is very specific, forming beneath the talus and calcaneus bones, which is unusual. For example, in our ankles, the joint occurs above those bones. There are three toes pointing forward. In the vertebral column, the neck is elongated. There are chambers for air sacs. And so these are features which help us define birds today, but nevertheless, they were shared by Neotheropod dinosaurs.